lot of parents ask us that what should I do if my child is keeping mouth open during sleep or breathing from the mouth during sleep. So you have to remember the three most important things whenever your child is breathing from the mouth is that you have to take an opinion from your pediatrician or an ENT surgeon who will help to evaluate the any obstruction in your nose or your throat which is making the child to breathe from the mouth. The second most important person in line is your dentist. The dentist will help to see whether your craniofacial structure, meaning your upper jaw and the lower jaw, are adequately sized enough and adequately positioned in order to facilitate your breathing. And the third most important is to check further whether your muscles of your jaw and the muscles of the tongue are strong enough to make sure your mouth stays closed. So remember that there should not be any obstruction in your airway or breathing pipe. The jaws should be large enough and properly positioned enough to facilitate nose breathing, and your muscles should be strong enough so that your mouth stays closed and you're breathing from the nose. Thank you.